is this like a weapon of war? What like?
Yeah, he just had a high-powered laser went and blew up a boat.
Blew it up. He didn't like it. Didn't just put a hole in it and sink it.
Well, he shot the gas tank, but yeah, it blew up.
Oh wow! I want to see these shows you're watching.
That's CrunchLabs. It's on Netflix.
Give me that pen right
It's
there. I'm writing CrunchLabs down.
It's Mark Robert's engineering show, but
CrunchLabs.
yeah, it's on Netflix.
Is lab spelled Labz?
I believe so.
Oh my god! How did I call that? With Mark Robert.